Good afternoon. Today's Spanish word is Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. So that means good afternoon. So now you can say hola, buenos dias, or buenas tardes. It's kind of fun learning Spanish. So we're going to work on doing some flashcards. So every word that we do, I want you guys to make a flashcard, put on one side the word, and then put on the other side what it means. And then at the end of the lessons, you guys can go back through and refresh your memory and quiz yourself, and that's how you learn it.